People are respected as long as they keep delivering. Once they stop delivering, respect fades. Every morning, before the town woke up, an old janitor named Henry unlocked the school doors. He swept the halls, fixed broken chairs, picked up trash. That wasn't his. He never complained. He never explained. He just worked. People trusted him because he was silent. They respected him because he was useful. And everyone assumed he was fine. But silence doesn't mean strength. Sometimes it just means survival. One winter evening, after everyone had gone home, Henry sat alone in the hallway. His hands were shaking. His back ached. A young teacher walked by and asked, "Mr. Henry, are you okay?" He hesitated, then quietly said, "I'm not quitting. I'm just tired tonight. I'm scared I won't be strong enough tomorrow." That was all. No complaint. No excuse. Just honesty. The teacher frowned. The next day, she mentioned it in the staff room. "Henry seems weak lately," she said. He sounded afraid. Concern turned into doubt. Doubt turned into fear. By the end of the week, the principal heard a different story. "Henry might not be reliable anymore," they said. "He talks about being tired. What if he stops working?" No one asked Henry. No one checked the truth. They let him go quietly. Henry didn't argue. He didn't explain. He packed his things and left before the bell rang. The next morning, the school felt different. Trash piled up. Doors creaked. Small things fell apart. People noticed too late. And that day, the town learned something painful. In the real world, people admire you when you stay silent and strong. But the moment you show fear or exhaustion, some will turn it into a reason to replace you. Not everyone who listens is safe. Not everyone who asks actually cares. Your struggles are real. Your pain is valid. But wisdom is knowing who deserves your truth. Because silence isn't weakness. Sometimes it's protection. If this story made you pause, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, be honest, but be careful.